Hi everyone, it's me again, Athena, and today we will be learning about plants. Get ready! Plants are living things. To live, they need number 1, light from the sun. Number 2, soil. Number 3, water. And number 4, air. Did you know that plants are composed of different parts? These are the 4 different parts of a plant. 1. Leaves. Leaves absorb sunlight. They allow plants to respire and make food. 2. Roots. Roots fix the plant in the ground. Plants absorb water and minerals they need to make food through their roots. 3. Flowers and fruits. Some plants have flowers, which contain their reproductive organs, and fruits, which cover and protect the plant's seeds. 4. Stem. The stem supports the plant. It transports what the roots absorb to the leaves and carries the food they produce to the rest of the plant. Trivia. Not all plants have flowers or grow from a seed. The fern is a plant without flowers that lives in a humid place. It is one of the oldest plants on earth. Now, let's do some checkpoint. Let's see if you can remember. Complete the sentence. Number 1. Both animals and are living things. Is it plants or books? The correct answer is plants. Both animals and plants are living things. Did you get it? Perfect. Checkpoint number 2. Complete the sentence. All plants have roots and a. Is it stem, flowers, and fruits? Or stem, leaves? The correct answers: all plants have leaves, roots, and a stem. Did you get it? Perfect. So let's do more studies. I have a picture of parts of a plant. Using the words below, label the different parts of a plant. I have flower, stem, roots, and leaves. Are you ready? Let's go. First answer is a flower. Did you get it? Perfect. Second answer are leaves. Did you get it? Good job. Third answer are roots. Did you get it? Very good. And the last answer is a stem. That's great. We complete the parts of a plant. Good job, guys. Now, I will be sharing to you 2 kinds of plants. First one are ferns. Ferns are green flowerless plants with divided leaves. Flowerless means it doesn't have any flower at all. Next plant is a violet flowers fern. Most violets are small plants, but a few plants are growing from it. It usually grows yearly. Typically, this kind of flowers have heart-shaped leaves. Not all plants are the same. Depending on their stems, they can be a tree, bushes, or grasses. And here are the examples. An example of a tree is an oak. It has thick stem called a trunk. It is usually very big, and it lives for many years. A very good example of a tree is a pine tree. You usually see this during Christmas. Next are bushes. An example of bushes is a broom. Bushes have a hard, thin stem. The branches are near the ground. It's usually medium size. They're not that so small. A very good example of bushes are rose bushes. Next, the last one is grasses. The best example of a grass is a parsley. Grasses has flexible stem. They are usually very small and they grow quickly. A very good example of grasses are mint. Now, talking about trees and their leaves. I have put A for evergreen plants and I have put B for deciduous plants. A. Some plants, such as the pine tree or the holm oak, keep their leaves throughout the year. You call them evergreen plants. Letter B. B. However, the leaves of deciduous plants fall when it is cold and come out again in the spring, like the almond tree or the elm. Let's do another checkpoint. This is very easy. You just need to tell me if it's true or false. Question number 1. Bushes have a hard, thin stem. The correct answer is true. Bushes have a hard, thin stem. Question number 2. Roses are grasses and pines are trees. The correct answer is true. Roses are grasses and pines are trees. Checkpoint number 3. Deciduous trees lose their leaves. The correct answer is true. Deciduous trees lose their leaves. Lastly, number 4. Almond tree is an evergreen tree. The correct answer is false, because almond tree is a deciduous tree. Now let's talk about the life cycle of a plant. As you can see, I have put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, so you can easily understand each cycle. First part of the cycle, the seeds are transported by wind, water, or animals. Cycle number 2. The seed of a plant falls onto suitable soil. Cycle number 3. The seed germinates and a new plant grows. Cycle number 4. The plant grows and flowers when it matures. Cycle number 5. Flowers turn into fruits with seeds inside. After that, it will go back again to number 1, in which the cycle will be repeating itself. Now, let's do some activity. What you just need to do is to complete the cycle and use the word bank that I've given you. You have 5 options: germinates, transport, matures, falls onto suitable soil, and turns into fruit. Number 1 answer is transport. Remember, seeds are transported by wind, water, or animals. Number 2 answer is falls onto suitable soil. Remember, the seed of a plant falls onto suitable soil. Number 3 answer is germinates. The seed germinates and the new plant grows. Are you getting it all right? That's perfect. Number 4 answer is matures. The plant grows and flowers when it matures. Did you get it? That's great. And lastly, the answer in number 5 is turn into fruits. Flowers turn into fruits with seeds inside. Now, you've got everything correct. I think you are ready for our new activity. So that's it. I hope you learned from today's lessons. Hope to see you soon, guys. Goodbye.